Hi, this is Erica DelSignore, and I'm the founder of Perfect Legal Video. And a lot of people ask me, what kind of videos should I put on my website and use for my marketing? And that's a great question, because it's not just, making a bunch of frequently asked question videos. You really have to be thoughtful and methodical about coming up with your videos and the priorities and what you're going to talk about. There are several types of videos that I absolutely recommend. The first one is a why video, and in a why work with us video, you are going to want to have a few elements. Now, this why video could be used for a TV commercial. It could be a 3 to 4 minute commercial you have on your website and that you showcase in most of your marketing. You might use it for Facebook advertising, and the reason is it's going to be mixed with shots of you working, B-roll of you working with your clients, with your staff. It's going to have testimonials of all of your clients saying great things about you. It's going to be mixed in with you talking about why you got into doing what you're doing, and really hitting on some of the objections people might have to working with an attorney in your field at all. And so, it might be people think that they can do it themselves. It might be people are ashamed to come to you and they feel like they're a bad person because they're going bankrupt or they're getting divorced, or maybe they have a personal injury case and they're blaming it on themselves. There's a lot of different things that can happen, and a lot of reasons why somebody wouldn't call you. And so you want to really overcome those objections in a lot of the videos that you make, but definitely specifically in the why video. You want to talk about exactly what you do for people, give them an idea of who you work with, and what someone's life is like is after, because you don't want to just talk about every little nitpicking detail. People aren't buying details, they're buying the destination. And so that's what you want to talk about. The destination is going to be a life that is free of worry, a better life for your family, whatever the situation is and the type of law that you practice. Those are the things that you want to sell. You should also have about me videos on your website, which the purpose of those is for people to get to know, like, and trust you. A lot of times, you're the first attorney they've ever met, and they may feel, like I said earlier, embarrassed about their situation. They might feel like you're a lot more intelligent than them, that you might be judging them for what's going on, and you want to assure people that that is not actually the case. And in a lot of the videos, we do assure people that you're making a great decision. We're going to go over some options, and you're going to have a better picture of what needs to happen next, and have some choices. And that's really important. Finding out that you're just a regular guy or a regular girl is also really important too. So if you have just a tiny bit about who you are, what you do for fun, and then going into what why you're doing what you do for the people that you're doing it for. Because if you are specializing in a certain practice, there's always a reason for it, and people love to hear those reasons. And it should be to help the people like themselves have a better life after having something bad happen to them. Process videos are super important. Process videos are how we are going to clone you and help you really make your clients a lot stickier and help them through the process. So when people are going to make an appointment with you, it is not a done deal that they actually show up. And so what you need to do is have a video that introduces yourself, and you talk about hey, you're going to come in here, we're going to meet for an hour, we're going to go over these 3 things, and then we are going to need to look at some of this paperwork. But if you don't have the paperwork right now, don't worry about it. We can get that later. And then you can have videos that go through the rest of the process, maybe how to fill out certain paperwork, maybe how long the next meeting with a judge is going to be, maybe what to wear, what to say, what not to say. I mean, there's a lot of questions that people have, things that just come second nature to you because you go to court all the time. But the people that you're working with, it's not usually the case for them, and it's important that you can reassure them throughout the process to keep them as your client, and to help you from having to answer the same questions over and over again to maybe several people in the family that also have those questions. They have a video now of you describing it, and that is going to be a great way to cut down on those calls. One of the most important videos that you can make are the testimonial videos. When we come and we do a video day at your office, which is one of the options, we actually have you have a client appreciation day. All of your clients will come in, they'll have goodie bags, you'll have lunch for them, and we will get them in to do the testimonials. Not everybody is going to want to do it. Some of them might even just do it for their voice, but we can take their voice and we can put it over some B-roll of you working, and and that's fine too. So that's what we do with the testimonials. The testimonials will then be linked together and put as a loop in your office. You can also take those testimonials and the transcripts and have them at the bottom of your website. You can have them on the back of the book and the print materials that you have. You can have them just on your landing pages, those sorts of things, and they're going to be fantastic to have. Also, I have video testimonials of from all of my clients on my website, so they're always everywhere, and that's important because I might tell you that I do a great job, but you're going to listen to somebody else tell you that I do a great job way more than you're going to listen to me, and so that's really important. And I did mention something in there talking about your marketing. You might need emails for certain marketing campaigns that you have. You might have a Facebook ad going where, and this is what I tell everyone, you definitely need to have a landing page so that you can collect those leads. And the landing page is going to offer something for free. So a free book, a free white paper, maybe it's a free video course, whatever it is. They're going to sign up for it, and when they go to that page, they're going to want to see a video of you saying, hey, congratulations, you're going to get our book, this is a great decision, this is what it's about. And then on the next page, okay, this is where you're going to get it, thank you so much. And by the way, everyone's situation is different, so we offer a free consultation. I encourage you to pick up the phone and call and make an appointment with us to see what we can do for you. So that is super important as well. And so those are the types of marketing things. We do want to make that a point. When we are putting together the list of priorities, we want to look at those marketing campaigns and make sure that you have what you need for what you have coming up. And the last type of video that I'd like to talk about are frequently asked questions. Frequently asked question videos are incredible because people have the questions and you get an opportunity to answer their most asked questions and be the expert. And people are definitely going to see your expertise shine through, and they're going to get to know, like, and trust you. And then we can take those frequently asked question videos, the transcripts, turn those into white papers and books, and put them in all sorts of places in your video. They could be a blog that goes out all over social media, all of that. And I can teach you how to do it. We have a course that helps people figure out how to do that stuff, and also the types of videos you should make, the types of scripts you should make, and what are the priorities upcoming. Because you'd love to make 100 videos right now, but the fact is that probably right now 20-25 videos are really going to get you through and make a difference. So please pick up the phone and call me if you haven't already scheduled your video day, your session either coming to Boston or going out to your office. My name is Erica DelSignore. I am the founder of Perfect Legal Video. I look forward to talking to you soon.